Hi, welcome to sampling session. The sampling in the sense the process of selecting the subset of training samples from given data set for the training phase of the model. So here we are having a given data set. We are having the seven number of samples. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 number of samples, two features, feature number 1 quantity, feature number 2 gender. This is the actual output target label. So here we are having different types of sampling. First one is simple random sampling. Here we will select the samples from the given data set randomly. Each sample is having equal probability of selection process. Okay, so here each sample is having same probability, equal probability. For example, this is also having 1 by 7, this is also having 7. Among the 7 samples, this is also having same rate for the selection, this is also have the same rate. So that is called simple random sampling. And another one is here sampling without replacement. Once the training sample is selected for a single model, for example, I am having decision trees. I am having two decision tree, right? Decision tree 1, decision tree 2. So if I select this sample number 1 for decision tree 1, then I will not select this sample for the decision tree 2. So for the decision tree 2, I cannot select the sample number 1. That is called sampling without replacement. Suppose I'm selecting the sample number 6 for the decision tree 1, then this 6 cannot be selected for the decision tree 2. So that is the meaning of sampling without replacement. And the third one is sampling with replacement. Here the training samples can be used for different models. That is, it cannot be removed from the data set. That means if I am using the decision tree 1 and n number of decision trees, here n number of decision trees 1 to n, so I can use this same sample for different decision tree models. Okay, so that is called sampling with replacement. Stratified sampling in the sense we are dividing the samples using small group, that is called strata, small group, dividing that data by using gender or age, like that. You look at that. Suppose I want to divide the samples by using simple strata. I will make males will be in one group and female samples will be in another group. So like that we can make a simple strata, that is using to draw the samples from each partition proportionally, right? Approximately same percentage of data. From male also we can take 50%, and female also we can take 50% of data. This is called one strata. So this type of sampling is called stratified sampling. So this sampling process here we are using for ensemble learning methods. Here one more thing is called row sampling. Row sampling means we will select the samples in the form of rows, and another one sampling is called feature sampling. So feature sampling means some of the features can be selected for decision tree 1, and some of the features can be selected for decision tree 2. So this is called feature sampling. So row sampling and feature sampling is also there in sampling process. Thanks for watching.